So for the FliteHouse revenue platform, the problem that we sent out to solve, this big audacious problem, has never been more easy to identify than it is right now. And it's very simple. It's that the challenge on sales teams has never been higher. Meanwhile, the amount of support and resources being given to sales teams to overcome those challenges has never been lower. From a tech perspective, sales teams are overloaded with tools, but those tools really don't talk to each other. And then from a human perspective, the coaching happens after the fact, if at all. Reps are lacking the real-time feedback that they need in order to achieve that consistent growth. And so the FliteHouse platform comes in and brings all of this together. It brings together real-time AI-powered coaching on every single call, feedback that is based on your actual sales conversations, your actual sales process. It listens, analyzes, and delivers coaching in the moment, just as if you had a vice president of sales sitting right here on your shoulder. The feedback is actually tied into your custom playbooks, not generic stuff like how fast are you talking or how many questions are you asking, but truly in context advice that would be the same as getting it from a top rep or your sales leader. We've gone even further. We've taken it to the next level by building in learning loops for every rep that automatically serve up the right knowledge at the right time without requiring human intervention. And then finally, we use metrics and the data and the reporting that leaders need to give leadership real visibility into what's working as a team. So from a results perspective, sales reps improve every time they talk to a customer. Your leadership team is now able to support the reps up here the way that they deserve, being coached with better data, more coaching, more support, more time back into the day. And teams get more consistent, more scalable, and more confident. This is your performance engine built from the ground up with one ecosystem, a straight line to revenue, and growth that actually feels good.